Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an allotment letter. What is an allotment letter? An allotment letter is a document of the sale and purchase of a housing unit or home property. It confirms the allotment and specifies the terms and conditions under which the property has been sold. Many lenders also ask for the house allotment letter as proof when issuing a home loan. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an allotment letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. And write the recipient's information. Yes, you have to write the full name. And write the home address. Make sure you mention the number, street, city, state, and zip code. Now, open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write that you are pleased to allot the recipient a property. In this case, first, you have to mention the allotment application that the recipient of this letter sent to you. You can also mention the date of the application. And write that you agree to allot the recipient with a property. Here, give details about the property. You can mention the plot number. Mention the size. And mention the location. In the second paragraph, write the function of this allotment letter. In this example, allotment is subject to the fulfillment of the terms and conditions which has been attached herewith. And then, write more about it. You can mention that this letter will prevail over terms and conditions. Which have been given in your brochures, ads, and sales documents. In the third paragraph, state clearly that this letter will result an integral part of allotment. And you have to mention the date. It is the date when you write this letter. And write that the allotment is for two parties. In the fourth paragraph, you need to mention the first party. It should be your company that gives the allotment. So, write your company name here. In this example is MS Kedar Industries Private Limited. And write that the company having its registered office by mentioning the location as well. And, this time, you have to write the allottees. The allottee here is the one who receives this letter. So, write the name, and write the home address including the city, state, and zip code. If it has more than one allottee, mention 2 with the same details format. And the last paragraph, write the property details. Write for which property this allotment is for. You have to mention the number, the size, and the location like the city and state. And finally, close the letter with yours sincerely or best regards. Add your signature. And write your name as well as your company name. So, that's how you write an allotment letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.